Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you'll be able to delete your Twitter account permanently, or X account permanently. So, let's head over to our Twitter app, shall we? Alright, so when you get to your Twitter, click on your profile picture and head over to Settings and Privacy on the bottom of your screen down here. Click on it, and then now you head over to your account, click on that, and then click on the Activate Account. Now you might be surprised. Right, now you might be surprised, what are we doing here on our deactivate account page? Well, what you should know is that when you here on your deactivate account page, as you can see down here, there's something that says you can restore your X account if it was accidentally wrongfully deactivated for 30 days after the deactivation. So what it essentially means is that if you haven't restored your account, or yeah, something like that, after 30 days, it will be automatically deleted. It won't be deleted instantly, but it will be deleted. And that is how you delete your X account permanently. Just don't use it for a long time. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.